Play Pibaro, Ipidang Sobhai Pynshai Yit Kmi, but Kikubor Baman Kasmi.
Langut Kibri Gublasha Kem but Shong Patok Hadu Libanai Ganti, Namar Bakilasha Kano, Don Kti Ban Rahbor, but Pyniap you wave Khynnah Brankat South Snem, Hapokashno Nagra Bill Hariboy. But Kiteki Langut Kiloan Ban Pynshai Kilat Patai Kubor, Rakaba Ong by Kibor Pulit, Kiklem da Wad Jingshah, Hakaban Kemi Gibadon Kti Shisha Kateka Kamrunar, Henry Kilashule Pendebrukom, but Kila Kem but Tumu Pengat Kandoni Kibalului, but Kibriu Gibomdon Kti A. Halor Kateka Pyniap Yote Khynnah, Brankat South Snem Karta. Kiteki Langut Kibriu Gublasha Kem, but Shakano Bakiladon Kti Halor Kateka Pyniap Briu, Kikantob yo Ujakius ke Marak, Upalus ke Marak, but Uathia ke Marak. Hakaba Kilapan Pau Jingshah si Halor ke Jingshah pen Budnam, Bakiladon Kti Haki Pyniap Briu. Henry Jingshah Kem Shimladon Kti A. Hakateka Kamrunar. Habawan Ban Pynshai Kinong Tok Kubor Hanong Po, Kiteki Langut, Harinkat Umonu Arenk, Pajong Teu Khynnah Ubalasha Pyniap, Kariko Moni Marak, Presiden Kagaro Mahila Hariboy, Lembat Kiwei, Kilong Baka Jingle di Kipulet, Kapiling Kata Police Outpost, Bat Khynnah Para Police Station, Kalabaklajur, Namar Bakim Shim Kia Ban Tokit Janai, Bat Ban Lap Ikibriu Kubudon Kti, Henry Kilashule Bunkam do Kumne Kumtai, Bat Kabalolong Tangkum Kajing Penslam Kai, Kabapen I Baki Shule Tang Ban Pendebrukom.
क्योंकि इन लोगों को और फिर से जान का खतरा हो रहा है, इन लोगों को दोबारा जान का खतरा हो रहा है। और एक ठो बात है जो अभी इन लोग ने बताया, तो मैं चाहती हूँ ये केस के लिए हम लोग का रिबो डिस्ट्रिक्ट का जो एनजीओ है MPSO, ये एनजीओ को हम लोग अभी ये केस हैंड ओवर करने मांग रहे हैं, क्योंकि पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट लोग हमको कुछ नहीं कर रहा, तो हम लोग सोचा कि हम लोग ये केस को एनजीओ का तरफ से भी जाएगा, हम लोग हाई लेवल का तरफ से भी जाएगा। हम लोग अभी हम लोग सीएम का साथ इस केस के लिए डिस्कशन करने वाला है, तो हम लोग और ये केस फाइल भी मानहानि दावा, ये 3 लड़का को बिना मतलब
earlier too, I have reported all the 3 persons who are arrested under this my son's kidnapping and murder case. They are still now, according to my views, they are innocent, because police have arrested the wrong person only instead of arresting the main culprits. One already detained in the jail still now, and along with him, those arrested have been already came out by bail, after taking bail, and 2 are main accused of the 2 are absconding, and police has done nothing to arrest them till now, and the case is it seems to be pending. And the main thing is that it is, according to the village, some leaders like Secretary Robinson Areng and his helper like Apnel Kemara, and even my own brother Sonu Areng also doing something wrong, some direction in a bad ways, because at the time of my son's arrest and my son's kidnapping and murdering time. So what happened? Both 3 persons has been falsely reported to the police that this Paulus Marak, Jakis Marak and Athai Marak has killed. But according to my views, as I reported earlier too, they are innocent and they don't have any hands of murdering and kidnapping my son. So in that case, I want to request all the police department, because it is the police department only, because they have done nothing till now. Now almost 10 months passed, but nothing investigation has been done. Nor they have called any statement. They haven't collected any statement from my side also. Maybe it is because of some reason, but I don't know. But it should be investigated properly by the police department, so that the innocent people can be what is called safe, and the main accused, main culprit should be arrested soon by the police department.